Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to use LemFi to send money to Nepal. So first of all, what we need to do is log into our LemFi account, as you can see here, and we're going to click here to sign into our account. This one right here. We click it, and here we'll log in. As we can see here, we have several options. We're going to focus on this one that says send money. If you don't have money to send, you click this option to top up. Alright, so this will open up for us here. To choose Nepal, we then click this button here where you see a country's flag, and here we'll look for Nepal so we can send the money directly there. After carefully choosing the country, here we will then select how we are going to make our payment. We can choose either through a bank account or through a phone, okay? And now here we're going to add a new beneficiary by clicking here, okay? And here, well, we'll add their account number and all the necessary information to send them the money. After that, it's going to ask us this. This warning will appear. We're going to click here, okay? On this option that appears here. And then here where it says continue with the payment. And that's it, the payment will be done. It's pretty simple. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.